Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeremy from XDK Group. I'm so nice in here, this ISE 2025. Let me introduce some of our products to you. So we start here. So this is our fiber solutions. We have DVI, DisplayPort, HDMI, and USB solution. Use one cable, fiber cable to connect. It's easy and a long distance. Oh, come here. Now we show you that our famous full function one is a Type-C USB-C cable. They use the automo design for transfer the video and 4K and 8K, and also with the power 60-watt power charging. Also with the USB data combined for function one. This one is also the hybrid fiber, the USB extender, male to female, USB-A to USB-A female. That's it. And next one we go to show you some different things is the before this one is the LC simpress the HDMI cable. They can transfer for 1 kilometers and with the lightweight. And the next one is for that's use the also the OM3 multimodal fiber cables to connect with the USB A to male to female connection. So this one is the LC Uniboot, and this one is the pulling eyes. Pulling eyes just for some the dragging from the cable from the piping to the other side. So use the pulling eyes. That's it. And so nice to meet you guys here. And if you want to learn more about our products, please go to our website www.xdkgroup.com. Thank you everyone.